ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about global climate action. Yes. And this presentation will expand a few causes of global climate change and how it affects us, and the most important thing, what solutions we have. Yeah. Do you guys know that the observable word of the year 2019 is climate emergency? It means climate emergency is the most searched word in 2019. But it not shows that people have higher awareness of this issue, but also indicate that the problem is happening seriously now. What is global climate change? How does it work? Is our life affected? We will figure out all the answers together, but now I'd like to welcome my partner to continue the followings.
Okay, now let's talk about how climate change is caused and what impact it will have on our daily life. First, burning fossil fuels. Second, expanding agriculture and industry, and significantly reclaim woodland. These three things result in higher concentrations of greenhouse gases. And excessive greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will contribute to the following situations: drought, forest fire, and flood. Because of these disasters, the United Nations discussed some solutions.
According to a survey, it was found that the greenhouse gas concentration in recent years was the highest in the 650,000 years. Therefore, in 2050, the United Nations passed the Paris Climate Agreement, which must control the Earth's temperature rise within 2 Celsius degrees. This further control the temperature within 1.5 degrees in 2018. What is the difference between 2 and 1.5 degrees? First, the population of facing a water shortage will decrease by 50%. Second, the chance of losing half of farming crops is reduced by 200%. Third, 10 million people are not going to be affected by rising sea levels. And last, protect countless animals and plants from facing extinction crises.
Now let's take a look at some successful examples of other countries. The first one is Canada, Vancouver. Its hydropower provides more than 90% of the electricity in the world in the city. It has been voted as the healthiest city in the world. Green roof and solar water heaters. Vancouver has achieved 33% reduction in CO2 emissions in 2020. Do you have any examples of other countries?
Of course. Another example is Chicago, USA. This is the first city in USA to install a hydrogen fuel station. And it is called Windy City because of the wind power generation. And it stores solar energy, filter rainwater by green loop. Therefore, the city saved $100 million in energy expenditure each year. Okay, now let's us share our suggestion.
Alright, let us look at the main issues. Because we are government, so we don't have enough ability to take actions as we mentioned earlier. So we have two suggestions. One is reducing meat consumption. The 18% of greenhouse gas emissions is from animal husbandry. This is quite a number of percentage. You know, if a Taiwanese doesn't eat meat, he can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 2.4 kilograms per day. Think about that. What if all Taiwanese? He will reduce 56,510 metric tons. Right. Another suggestion is plastic-free life. As you can see, by 2050, the carbon dioxide emission by produced plastic will as much as 2.75 billion tons. That's equivalent to 600 coal-fired power plants. So we can use less disposable plastic product. In other words, use reusable foodware, bags, or something is recyclable. Right. Finally, let's work together for all kinds of life on Earth. And be honest with yourself and be kind to the environment. Save lives and save lives. Right, this is the end of our presentation, and we will really appreciate your listening. Thank you.